and welcome. My name is Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Me. In this video, we're going to look at the idea of using Shift-Tab in order to input information into a cell and then move to the left. So with that, let's get started. All right, so here in Excel, we were looking at using the Enter key, the Shift Enter key, the Tab key, and now the Shift Tab key in order to input information and enter that into a cell or a set of cells within Excel. So this is going to be so much fun that you'll see what happens when we complete this chart. So in our last video, we looked at taking information, inputting it into a cell, and then pressing the Tab key. That would move to our right. If we want to take information, such as the values of these two cells, and then move to our left, we would press the Shift key and the Tab key. Now, this is fine and dandy up until we looked at the difference between regular ranges, such as this here, just meaning that it's a grouping of data, versus inputting information to a table. So again, we created a table. Don't worry, we're gonna cover a lot of this stuff later. So if I'm doing things that you don't know how to do, it's not. Or if I'm doing things that I don't know how to do, it's okay. We will we'll do this later. We'll explain it better later. But okay, so we have this table, right? And when we press the Tab key, it would move over. So we're gonna input this cell is equal to this cell times this cell. And then we're going to say, okay, we're going to press Shift Tab. We're going to make this 31, Shift Tab, and then we're going to make this 1200, Shift Tab, and then we could change the date if we wanted, but the date we'll leave as the same. We just need to make sure that we can type correctly, and then it enters information correctly. Now what's really cool is if you input information into a table rather than a specific range, then when you press the Tab key, it would automatically move over and create a new row for your table. So this could be 01/01 2016. And I do realize that certain months here have not yet happened, but we could pretend that these are projections. 1,300 shares, $32 is equal to this times this. When we press Enter, it would move just down, but not over. And then when we press Tab, well, apparently we suck at life, so this is not going to work. We press Tab and it would move over. And because Excel doesn't realize that this is a new part of our range and it's the same part of the data set, it will not continue. However, if we had it going down like this, then Excel would presume that it's going to be the next row, so then we would move over. And again, when we hit Shift Tab, when we get to the end of inputting information, it would go to the leftmost part of the next row. So this is kind of similar. In the earlier part of the course, we looked at just moving within a selection by pressing Enter, Shift Enter, Tab, and Shift Tab. The same holds true when you're inputting data into Excel. So you could multiply these two, press Shift Tab, this could be 33. Shift Tab, this could be 1400. Shift Tab, this could be the same. Shift Tab, Shift Tab, Shift Tab. So now, having watched these 3 or 4 videos, you should have a general understanding of how to move in between individual cells and input information into those cells. If you want to move down, if you wanted to input the number 1 here and then move down, you would press Enter. If you wanted to move up, you would press the number that you want in and then Shift Enter. If you want to move to your right, you would press, let's just say that this is 3, Tab. If you want to move it here to your left, you would press Shift Tab. So with that, in our next video, we will look at the idea of Control Enter as a way to enter information into your current cell and stay in that exact cell. It's something we've touched on in previous videos, but we haven't formally covered it yet. So we'll dedicate an entire video to that. Join us for that in the next video, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.